This typewriter finishes stories with secrets from your own life. In 1962, novelist Arthur Bell bought a second-hand typewriter to break his writer's block. The first night he typed, the man walked into the bar and went to sleep. In the morning, the page continued and ordered his usual. Knowing the bartender was his estranged son, Arthur was stunned. The detail about the estranged son was his own hidden secret, known to no one. He tested it again. He typed, "The woman hid the letter." Overnight, it completed. In the loose floorboard of her childhood home, just like she hid her sister's doll. It was describing a forgotten memory from his own childhood. The typewriter wasn't just writing. It was pulling truths from his past. Arthur became obsessed, using it to write a best-selling novel filled with real, buried secrets from his town. When the book was published, the scandal was immense. The typewriter had exposed everyone's hidden lives. One night, a furious crowd gathered outside his house. Arthur sat at the typewriter and typed his final sentence. The author begged for forgiveness. He was found the next morning. The typewriter had added just 3 more words. But none came. The machine vanished that night. Writers still whisper about it, wondering if the next page it types will be theirs. What secret would it type about you?